Coming to the last session of the chapter amines, we will be seeing diazotization, formation of benzene diazonium chloride and its synthetic applications. Diazotization and coupling, formation of benzene diazonium chloride and the synthetic application of benzene diazonium chloride. What do you mean by diazotization? Aromatic primary amines like aniline react with nitrous acid at 0 degrees Celsius in the presence of dilute hydrochloric acid to give benzene diazonium chloride. This reaction is called diazotization. So, the reactants are aniline, primary amine, aromatic primary amine, aniline, combining with nitrous acid. As I had explained in the previous session, nitrous acid can be prepared by reacting with sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid. So, for diazotization, the reactants are aniline, NaNO2, that is sodium nitrite, and hydrochloric acid. All these reactants are made to react at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius to form benzene diazonium chloride along with the formation of NaCl and water molecule. Benzene diazonium chloride can be expressed as C6H5N2 plus Cl minus. It is a salt. That is why we have written plus and Cl minus charge. What is the main application of benzene diazonium chloride or the diazotization process? It's very important process because the product benzene diazonium chloride can be used for the production of many different organic classes of compounds. So the main thing, the utmost important reaction is Sandmeyer's reaction. The reaction used to synthesize aryl halide from aryl diazonium salt using copper salts as reagent or catalyst. It is an example for radical nucleophilic aromatic substitution. So, the benzene diazonium chloride or the salt is combined with copper halide to form the corresponding halobenzene, haloarenes. For example, for the formation of chlorobenzene, benzene diazonium chloride is combined with copper chloride. For the formation of bromobenzene, BDC is combined with copper bromide. For the preparation of cyanobenzene, it can be combined with copper cyanide. Once we get benzene cyanide, benzonitrile or cyanobenzene, that one on hydrolysis we get benzoic acid. So we can say we can prepare benzoic acid also from benzene diazonium chloride by converting to cyanobenzene, and afterwards on hydrolyzing we get benzoic acid. Now, what will be the product of hydrolysis of benzene diazonium chloride? Benzene diazonium chloride, just on adding water, it is hydrolysis, it leads to the formation of phenol. We can write the reaction like this: benzene diazonium chloride BDC, on adding water we get phenol along with the formation of N2 plus HCl, which is also a test for the identification of primary amine also. Then reduction, on reduction, what we can do, what are the products we'll be getting on reduction? On reduction using SO2 in presence of sodium hydroxide, benzene diazonium chloride gives phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine can be represented with the formula C6H5NH2. So benzene diazonium chloride on reduction using sulfur dioxide in presence of sodium hydroxide, we get phenyl hydrazine. Another reducing agent, sodamide, NaNH2, will lead to the formation of aniline. Just remember here, aniline can be converted to benzene diazonium chloride by diazotization process, and benzene diazonium chloride can be converted to aniline by reduction using sodamide. A very important reaction is coupling reaction of benzene diazonium chloride, where BDC is combined with a coupling component. Normally, the coupling component will be a para-substituted benzene derivative, either para-hydroxybenzene or para aminobenzene, that is either phenolic derivative or an aniline derivative of benzene, that will be combined, that will be coupled with benzene diazonium chloride to form an azo-di, because in the product there will be N double bond, N bond, which stands for the azo group. So the para position carbon will be added to the nitrogen atom of benzene diazonium chloride to form a coupled product, that is azo-di. This is the general formula, general synthesis of coupled product, that is azo-di, on combining benzene diazonium chloride with a coupling component. As an example, we can see when benzene diazonium chloride is combining with a phenol, that is para-hydroxybenzene, we get para-hydroxyazobenzene. It is clear in the slide, BDC plus phenol giving para-hydroxyazobenzene. The carbon atom at the para position of the phenolic group will be added to the nitrogen atom to form para-hydroxyazobenzene. Coming to the second example, where 2-naphthol, beta-naphthol is combining with benzene diazonium chloride to form 1-phenyl azo-2-naphthol, where the carbon atom which is at the first position of the naphthol, at the second position there is OH group, at the first position carbon atom will be combining with the nitrogen atom of benzene diazonium chloride to form 1-phenyl azo-2-naphthol. The reaction can be shown in the slides. So in this session, the last session, we have seen diazotization and coupling, preparation of benzene diazonium chloride and its synthetic application. So in this amine chapter, there were 5 sessions. In each session, we have seen together collectively, we have seen what do you mean by amine? What are the general formula? What is the general formula of alkyl amine as well as aryl amine? How about the nomenclature of amines? And then how can we classify amines? Then how can we distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amines? Then about the reactions of amines and about the preparations of amines and also about diazotization and coupling reactions.